Catching the fish is half the job. From the dock, they are trucked to a local packing facility.
They're always under ice, and a good fish is stiff as a board. If he wasn't, he'd be drooped over. He wouldn't be as shiny. Fishermen did a really nice job taking care of this fish.
Bobby Waldemeyer has worked at Ariel Seafood, a local processing facility in Sebastian, for close to 20 years. Every day, tens of thousands of pounds of fish run through this facility, and that means long hours for his crew.
We've had people that'll come in, say they've worked the hardest jobs in the world, that they can do this, and they never even come back for their paycheck. Not for the average Joe, that's for sure. Fins here are very, very sharp. When they go into your skin, they break off. It's not like a thorn, you can't pull it out. You have to dig or cut it out, and their teeth are razor sharp. They have an anticoagulant on them, and it's amazing how long you will bleed from a bite of one of these, and they'll get you dead or alive.
Bobby's son Mitchell has recently come on full-time.
We do butt heads a little bit, but
we're trying to fill his boots, but he's got a pretty big pair of boots to fill.
We've always been a close family, but him working here has made it even that much closer. You fish that our fishermen are harvesting, and it feeds so many people. Every fish, at least 2 people that we're feeding. Caught yesterday, probably hook and line, be on somebody's table in a matter of a day or so. It's just pretty cool to know that our fish goes around the world.